You dare challenge me? You'll pay for your insolence.
I know you're trapped in there, but I'll set you free.
Duel! I set a card. I set a monster. I end my turn.
My turn. I draw. Come on. I summon a monster. I activate my monster's effect. Come on. I special summon a monster. I'll set a card. Battle. Go! My monster attacks. Sorry, Shirley. I end my turn. You're up.
My turn! I draw! I'll show you what real power feels like! Elemental Hero Wildheart! Let's battle! Attack Wildheart! Wild Slash!
Nice move.
Show me how strong you really are! I end my turn.
I know, sir. I've got this. It's my turn. I draw. Battle. Go! My monster attacks.
I activate my trap. Hero Signal. Elemental Hero Sparkman.
I end my turn. You're up.
I draw! The souls I stole will share their power with me! I activate the field spell, Supreme King's Castle! I activate my spell card, Dark Calling! I Fusion Summon! Rise up, evil hero, Malicious Bane! I activate Malicious Bane's effect. It destroys your monsters with equal or lower attack points. I'll set a card. Time to battle. Light 'em up, Sparkman! Static Shockwave! Ah!
You haven't beat me yet.
I end my turn.
That was a great combo, but I've got an even greater one. It's my turn. I draw. I'm gonna set a monster. You can knock me down, but I can get back up. I end my turn.
It's my turn. I draw. Time to battle. Light 'em up, Sparkman! Static Shockwave! Malicious Bane! Attack!
The Supreme King is in complete control of Jaden's soul.
There is no power that can defeat the darkness!